the transplant services to several areas in the country, you can be sure, like here you have about 20 patients. Now you can imagine if every county has got 20 some, like Kenyatta have got close to 500. So even if you have a transplant list, it might not be as fast as you would like to do it.
It is our main referral facility as well, and we have had 248 referrals that has been done to that facility. And because of that, we have decided to have very good partnership with them. And one such partnership is the telemedicine, which we are on the final stages. We are just finalizing, and I think it's going to be launched in the next 1 or 1.5 months.
We look forward in terms of improving the quality of services we provide for patients who are suffering from kidney problems. Right now, where we are standing, we have our dialysis unit where we are having capacity of conducting dialysis the whole week, including even Saturday, based on demand.